For an educator, this is an exciting time to be around, to witness the true democratization of education. The shift from the era of knowledge is power, when whoever possessed knowledge jealously guarded it, and a great education was only available to those who could afford it. But knowledge is not enough without the application of the knowledge. In the very recent past, the routes to share the application of knowledge as a book author or a visiting lecturer were limited by time constraints, red tape, and the logistics of travel. I could get in front of an audience of a few dozen or even a few hundred people at a time. But now we have this fantastic opportunity to come down from our ivory towers and go to meet our audience directly in the place where they hang out, on YouTube. In a sense, we have come a full circle back to the Agora of the ancient Greeks. The Agora was the commercial center of the community. It was the place where your audience hung out. Back then, as now, it was not enough to publish and sit back. You had to show up and demonstrate your authority, just like on YouTube. And therefore, YouTube is really this modern Agora where education meets commerce in a symbiotic relationship, and even with more power and reach. This channel gives us the opportunity to connect with anyone looking for a great educational content, regardless of geography or financial means. And the immediacy of this platform and the ability to share great content with hundreds of thousands directly at one time, it has been an incredible journey so far, and I'm grateful for your support. I want to thank each one of you for sharing this journey with me and for your confidence in me in growing this community to 100,000 members. We're just getting started, so here's to the next 100,000. Until next time.